kişilere, değişik renklere sahip olan inananlar insanları, ümmet olan, Kur'an ehli olanların, ilim ehli olanların çok şükür var. Onlara başvuralım.
So we are in Hasan Paşa Inn, drinking our Turkish tea. This is one of the routine that you should do it here. So let me tell you something about this very historic space. This place was located on the ancient Silk Road and used for the caravans which was moving from east to the west or from west to the east to settle here, rest their caravans and their animals. This place was constructed in 1572 by the governor of Ottoman Empire. His name was Hasan. So this is how this place was called Hasan Paşa. The basement level of this inn was used to store the animals which was carried by the traders. In 1613, one Polish traveler who came to visit Diyarbakır has described the inn and the store of the animals, and he said that the inn has the capability of housing over 500 horses inside. Thanks to the restorations, today Hasan Paşa Inn welcomes the locals and the tourists from Turkey or from all around the world to come here to experience Turkish breakfast. You can see on the mazlum göster dostum. You can see over on top the stores, the shisha stores, the breakfast houses. Well, it's a must do when you come to Diyarbakır to come Hasan Paşa Inn and have a breakfast here. Also here and over there you can see that there are a lot of shops selling all sorts of souvenirs and local crafts. It's a midday. Now we are resting with Mazlum, drinking our tea. From here we are going to go to the inner castle where we will record some other videos for you, my friends, and see you there.
Dedikçe